Ever wondered how websites get their sleek look and feel? The answer lies in CSS, or cascading style sheets. This language is the unsung hero of web development, working behind the scenes to add style to the structure created by HTML. It's CSS that dictates the layout, colors, and fonts, shaping the user experience. It's like the director of a play, orchestrating the performance of HTML elements on the stage of your screen. CSS is the secret ingredient that brings life to a website's design. Dive into the world of CSS and explore the power of CSS selectors. CSS selectors are the magic wands of your style sheets, enabling you to select and style HTML elements with precision. Let's embark on a journey to understand these types. First, we have element selectors. These target HTML elements based on their name. For instance, if you want all paragraph elements to be blue, you would use the P selector. Next, class selectors. These are used to select elements with a specific class attribute. They're denoted with a period before the class name. Say you have a class called highlight. To style this, you would use highlight. Then we have ID selectors. Similar to class selectors, these target elements with a specific ID attribute. But remember, IDs are unique to each element. They're represented with a hash before the ID name. Now let's talk about attribute selectors. These target elements with a specific attribute or attribute value. Imagine you want to style all images with an alt attribute. An attribute selector would be your go-to. Pseudo-class selectors are next in line. These target elements in a specific state, like when a link is hovered over or a checkbox is checked. Finally, we have pseudo-element selectors. These allow you to style certain parts of an element, like the first letter or line of a text block. With CSS selectors, you can specifically target and style elements on a web page. So go ahead and harness the full power of CSS selectors to create stunning web designs. What a journey through the land of CSS selectors, isn't it? We've traversed through the essential role of CSS in web development, understanding how it breathes life into the static HTML structure, giving it color, form, and enticing visual appeal. We dived deep into the heart of CSS selectors, those powerful tools that allow us to target and style elements with precision. From simple type selectors to dynamic pseudo-classes, we've seen how they can dramatically change a website's appearance, offering endless possibilities for customization. Remember, CSS selectors are like the keys to a vast kingdom. Each one unlocks a different door, revealing a new aspect of your website that you can manipulate and transform. They are not just lines of code, but a canvas for your creativity. Mastering CSS selectors will take you one step closer to becoming an expert web developer. Keep experimenting and happy coding.